Good morning and welcome to all BSc second year students of Fishery Science in online lecture series of semester 4th, paper number 9th, Fish Gear and Craft Technology. In last period, boys, we have started the new point, that is the introduction and classification of fishing craft. The fishing craft, fishing boat, these are to be used to operate to capture the aquatic animals, that may be fish or that may be other aquatic animals such as prawn, such as crabs, such as mollusk. These animals are such as the other different animals, not only the crabs, prawns, mollusk, but sepia, loligo, octopus, chang, mytilus, aquatic weeds. To capture all these aquatic animals from offshore water and collect all these captured animals from offshore water area toward the bank side, toward the inshore water area. These devices, these are to be used as a platform. These are devices, these are to be used as a base. On these platform, fishermen can operate different nets, different gears to capture the fishes or the aquatic animals. Hence, introduction and classification of fishing crafts. In last period, we have seen that what is meant by fishing craft? A device, instrument on which fishermen can sit down. Fishermen can sit down and it can operate different nets to capturing the fishes from inland water sources or from marine water sources. That instrument on which fishermen can sit, that instrument is called as the craft. In last period we have seen that is the craft. These are to be divided. Either it is the craft used in freshwater, inland water fishing craft. Craft used in marine water, it is called as marine water fishing crafts. Or second criteria, whether the craft, these are to be well developed, modern, recent, digital technology, these are to be used, and use of electric horsepower generated machines called as the mechanized craft. And opposite to the non-mechanized, there is no development, traditional, as it is no modern techniques tool, these are to be used, no electric power generation machine, these are to be used, but the craft, the boats, ships, these are to be used to catch, to collect the captured fishes. That ship is called as the non-mechanized fishing vessels. Now, remaining part of this article we have seen in this today's part. Marine fishing craft. Marine fishing craft. Different crafts are used due to different conditions of sea on the east coast and west coast. On the east coast and on west coast, different crafts are used, and these are to be used because their condition, these are to be different, their condition, these are to be variable, not same condition. That's why these craft, these gears or these boats, these are to be used to operate in a different condition and in different areas from east coast as well as from the west coast of India. Those craft, those boats or ships or vessels are used. Those craft, boats or ships or vessels are used to capture the aquatic animals. Capture the aquatic animals such as fishes, arthropod, molluscan, aquatic weeds, etc. from the marine water or from sea water or ocean water sources that craft, that boat or that ship is called as the marine water fishing crafts. Marine water fishing craft means in which water the ships or boats these are to be operated, these are to be used to capture the fish. It is called as marine water fishing craft. The boats, the ships, craft and vessels are used to capture and collect the captured aquatic animals from offshore water of sea and ocean toward the bank side. That is called as marine fishing craft. That is called as marine fishing crafts or marine fishing boats. The boats or the ships, craft and vessels are used to capture and collect the captured aquatic animals from the offshore water of sea and ocean water toward the bank side of craft or the boats. That craft is called as marine water fishing craft. It is called as marine water fishing craft. Generally in marine water sources, well developed and modern fishing crafts were used. Generally in marine water sources, that is well developed and modern fishing crafts, boats, ships are used, because in seas and oceans area is to be tremendous, depth is to be tremendous, tides these are to be enormous, then storm condition these are to be occur, water current movement these are to be affect, and due to these the craft vessels or boat these are to be used. Craft boats these are to be used. All these crafts, these are modern, well developed, and these are mechanized fishing crafts operated by electric power machines to move from one part to another part of sea or ocean. In marine water, depth and area is tremendous. In marine water, depth and area is tremendous. Hence, non-mechanized fishing boats or crafts are not effectively and operation of these boats craft these are to be act as loss and dangerous condition to the farmers as well as the culturist. Sometimes there is a natural calamities or the dangerous situation these are to be occur. To avoid this condition, recent modern techniques and tools available craft boats. These techniques and tools available crafts or boats these are to be operated, these are to be used to capture the fishes from sea water or ocean water. And that's why marine fishing craft these are to be important, these are to be large, and these are to be well developed, and modern techniques tool these are to be adopted. Second, inland fishing craft. Opposite to the marine water, inland fishing craft. Those fishing crafts, those gears are used to capture the fishes and other aquatic animals. Those fishing crafts or vessels, boats are used to capture the fishes and other aquatic animals from the rivers, tributaries, large lakes, and reservoir of freshwater sources. These fishing crafts are called as inland fishing crafts, or these fishing boats are called as inland fishing boats. Means when the fishes and other aquatic animals were captured in riverine source, in freshwater source. Which are the riverine source? Rivers, tributaries, large lakes, reservoirs, and dams and pools. Through the crafts, fishes these are to be caught, these are to be captured. It is called as inland fishing craft. Generally in inland fishing grounds, non-mechanized fishing crafts are used on large scale because there is no need to the mechanization of boats. Non-mechanized boats, non-mechanized craft, that is without electrical power generation, without horsepower motor, electric motor, the boats, ships, these are to be moved with the help of paddles, with the help of, that is the special engine. These boats, these are called as non-mechanized fishing crafts. But for our convenience, these fishing crafts are broadly categorized into two ways, which are as inland fishing crafts and marine water fishing craft. Further, these inland fishing crafts are divided into two different types, as non-mechanized fishing inland fishing crafts and mechanized inland fishing crafts. Mechanized and non-mechanized. Non-mechanized, no development and no modern techniques tool, these are to be used, no electric power generated machines. It is called as non-mechanized fishing craft. And mechanized fishing crafts, when craft boat, these are to be used in which well developed electrical power generated machine, these are to be fitted, and current, these are to produce sound, which these machines, boats, these are to be operated, these are to be moved. It is called as mechanized fishing craft. Similarly, these crafts are also categorized. Similarly, these fishing crafts are also categorized in marine water. In marine water, as one non-mechanized marine water fishing crafts and second mechanized marine water fishing craft. These various fishing crafts are described. Just non-mechanized marine water fishing craft, boats, ships, these are to be used or operate in inshore water of seas and oceans. There is no development, there is no modern techniques and tools. These are to be operated by fishermen. It is called as non-mechanized marine water fishing craft. And second, in a deep water, away from the shore, away from the bank of sea, ocean, fishermen enter more than 50 km, more than 100 km in the deep area of ocean sea, where returning from these deep area is to be required 2 to 3 days. Such offshore water, when fishermen operate fishes nets on boats, ships or craft, that boat, that ship is called as the mechanized fishing craft. Mechanized fishing craft. Boats. Following types of boats are used for fishing in rivers or inland fishing crafts. Following types of boats are craft used in river and source, in river sources, or it is called as inland fishing craft. Raft and dongas are age-old inland fishing craft used in steady waters. Raft and dongas are age-old inland fishing craft used in steady water, in which rafts are traditional craft made by different types of materials. Rafts are traditional craft made by different types of materials. In Bihar, earthen pots are tied together to provide support to the high bamboo platform. It is called as raft. In West Bengal and Tamil Nadu, stems of banana trees are held together to contract and construct the boats. That boat is called as floating boat, and it is to be used to operate the nets or the gears in Tamil Nadu and West Bengal area. In olden days, buffalo skins are tied together to make a crude raft. In olden days, buffalo skins are tied together to make a crude raft. In West Bengal, a simple types of dugout canoe called as dongas are used. It is connected by following the stem of palm tree. It is commonly used for fishing in shallow waters. Vellum is stronger dugout canoes used in brackish waters of Kerala. In Tanjore, Tiruchirappalli, chatti raft made by earthenware or earthen waters are commonly used. Earthen waters, these are the commonly used. Age-old practice of raft or boats, these are to be operated, these are to be used in different areas such as Kerala, such as especially in Tanjore district of Tiruchirappalli, where such type of boats, raft, these are to be used to operate to capture the fishes. Second, plank built boats. These boats are steady and are used for fishing. These boats are steady and used for fishing in rivers and strong tides and currents in different regions. Different types of plank boats are operated. One of common type is dinghies used in West Bengal. Dinghy is narrow and has a tapering bow and stem. It has no keel. That is, this dinghy has no keel and it is to be generally tapering bow shaped or stem shaped. Dinghy is generally used to operate purse nets and dip nets. Another type of this dinghy is called a Chandi Nauka, which is used to prepare or operate dip net. It is 18 meter long and 3 meter wide. Dip net is to be how much? The area of this dip net is to be 18 meter long and 3 meter width. Such a long and width net, these are to be operated from these dinghy or from these boats. In Calcutta, today it is called as Kolkata, and the other parts of West Bengal, a medium-sized boat called as Bachri is used. Bachri is used to transport live fish. However, in Chilka Lake is brackish water lagoon. However, in this Chilka Lake, type of plank boats are to be called as Nawa, and this Nawa, these are to be used. Means plank built boats, these are to be operated. Plank built boat, these are to be operated and used to operating different types of nets, gears, such as nauka, such as dinghy, or such as the other different types of nets. These are to be operated, these are to be used to operate in coastal waters, to operate in river waters for these. And here this is the simple raft which is to be seen in figure. On this raft, fisherman can sit down. It can be seated, and on these fishermen sitting on these raft, it can operate by paddle. It can operate by the paddle, and it can move from offshore to the inshore and inshore to offshore according to their condition. And this raft, these are to be used to capture the fishes from riverine source or the inland water source. Here we have see that is the plank built boat and the raft. In next page we have see the next important fishing craft which is to be used to capture the fishes from such different inland water sources or the fresh water source. Hope you have understood. All these are the different boats, ships or the raft used for fishing purposes in inland waters. Thank you, all of you.